How to record on Snapchat without holding the button. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can record on Snapchat without holding. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to open up Snapchat. Once you open up Snapchat here now, if you wish to take a snap, you simply have to tap, right? So you can see this snap is taken. However, if you wish to take a video snap, then you'll have to tap and hold there. Now, it might be quite agitating to someone in order to hold the screen and keep on recording. Now, how you can record without holding it? Well, the process is simple. If you noticed, or if you have noticed, if I tap and hold on the screen here and I'm taking the video snap here, then a lock icon will appear on the left hand side. So what you want to do is simply tap and hold, right? It'll start recording, then swipe to the right to the lock icon and remove it, and now it is still recording, as you can see here. So if you want to stop recording, all you got to do is tap on it, and now recording will be stopped, and you can see the video snap here. So this is how you can record without holding the button on Snapchat. Hope this video has helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.